as our bullish parabolic continues. Where is Bitcoin heading now? Let's get into that right now. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I want to talk about a major rebound that has been made by altcoins within the recent times. As you can see, Bitcoin is only up 4%, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, is very good. But as you can see, Ether is pushing past that $200 towards $230. Ripple pushed past that 40 cents. Litecoin is also seeming to make unbelievable progress at the moment. Dash, Monero, and Neo, EOS, and then we have the other coins, are all performing very well. As you can see, if we look at Litecoin, we are currently, I'd like to say, popping off. But I mean, there could be better words, as we are touching recent highs that were put in May a couple days earlier. Now let's check out what CoinMarketCap has to say. As you can see, Bitcoin is making major headway. We are currently above 8 grand, and as you can see, there was the other cryptocurrencies making strong moves within the last 24 hours are, let's have a look. We have Chainlink, Tezos, XRP, Lisp, Nemo, also Status, Ravencoin, Project Pi, Monacoin, and Dogecoin is also making large moves. I want to talk about the current market cap. As you can see, we're currently sitting at $245 billion, which is the highest levels we have seen in a very long time, although we're not making as major headwinds as the other time. Right now, you can see that Bitcoin dominance has recently fallen from 60% down to 58.16 as the altcoins are surging back with the altcoin bounce. Right now, the volume is currently sitting at $107.6 billion US, which is the average volume we've had for the last few days. The major cryptocurrency I want to talk about is Tezos, which has been improved by major company. I apologize. Binance has agreed to post it on their website for trading, which will begin within the coming days, which has given a strong buy ahead of this. As you can see, right now we don't have the hour chart. As you can see by market cap, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BCH, LTC, and EOS. Binance Coin has been trending towards $25, which is the highest levels that we have had on the coin, which is working on making new headlines, which is clearly only 40 cents away from highs. We can also see XRP is also trending towards newest highs, breaking between 33 cents all the way to 40. If we look in the 90 days, it's been highest level in 3 months. If we look at the 1-year chart, it is currently highest levels since October. If we're looking at other major way, USD Tether has currently had volume of 32 billion, which is pretty high compared to usual. It is down 1%, which is no big deal, as it's generally still doing fine between that $1 and 0.001 cent. We did have, like was said, between that FUD that we did have a bounce drop below that 99966 level, but is generally holding fine. That's a lot we have. Let's go back to the regular app for some analysis. I did want to add an interesting part into the video, and we're going to go on price upwards. And I wanted to show you guys a major cryptocurrency named Thorcoin, which I believe is a great investment if you are investing. They are currently making their way above $1,000 US. They do have a very limited supply, though. To my knowledge, like you can see here, there is only 56,000 of them. The coin's been trending upwards more or less, and then had slight rebound for a while, and has made its way towards $1,000. It's taking a little rebound between that $1,200, and right now it's currently stable. If you're interested in buying, you will have to go to thorcoin.com, their website, and to get interested in that, make sure to do that. Okay guys, as you can see right now, the resistance that I have put in place for Bitcoin is the previous highs that we did set in 2018. We can't go back to it now, which is at $2,036. I did want to put in place a trend line which could be existent. If we were to dump at the moment, we could dump towards the $6,000 place. If we were generous, we could possibly be getting higher levels. It's really hard to say, but depending on how this charting is done, it really depends. We could be bouncing off support like this, which would mean we would only go to 6.7 at the moment, which would only be a 25% decrease. Right now, I would say that we are doing very well, although we are having a minor correction within the last while. I can tell you that on the 1 hour chart, if we move to the candle, we are currently kind of struggling to move upwards as we have tried to break $2,000. I mean, I'm stupid. As we tried to break $3,000, got punched down towards the lower levels, tried to rebound, got rejected towards 7.5. Then we did rebound, which is very good, but we are just trying to currently get above this resistance, which is currently right here, I'd say. As you can see, it's a pretty strong resistance, which is at 8,046. We did get rejected multiple times from it, but could possibly moving upwards. Right now, there's the other coins. Currently we have Ripple making major headway, as a lot of you probably know. Just a moment. Yeah, Ripple's making major headway towards the 45 cents, and then eventually to 50. It did try to go to 50, but it could not reach that, and had a minor correction with no success. If we are to look right now, I could say the next resistance that we are getting could be up here, which is not a guess, which is pretty guaranteed since we already got resisted from here once. Let me just mark that off. What the heck? Which is right here. We can see we came up pretty close to it. For support, on the other hand, I can recommend you. We could be looking at this level, or even this level, which could be more likely since there are more patterns that recommend that we are at this stage. Right now, I'm very optimistic about Ripple and all the other crypto markets, and I'll see you guys very soon.